name is Alex Webster. I am the branch manager at Goldwagen Woodstock. One thing I like about Woodstock, we've got over 200 workshops that we service. From the big workshops to the small guys working at home. We've got a great staff that tries to meet the needs of all our workshops and our clients working from home. So this is our sales area. We've got 7 great salesmen. In the Woodstock branch, we've got a lot of Mercedes-Benz and BMW clients. I'm not sure if it's just the area, but the guys just seem to love BMW and Mercedes, and we keep a wide range from the old 123 Mercedes till the latest W205s and 206s. We keep a wide range of parts. From your old City Golfs till your latest Golf 7s, Golf 8s, we've got the stock here. Just give us a call. Very happy with my staff. I would say one of the greatest staff that I ever work with. Guys are highly motivated and dedicated to their jobs here, and I can just say extremely happy for them.
So I'm Tahir. I work here for about 3 years now. I'm a salesman. It's a good team that I work with. Like, the guys keep on playing around maybe, but it's not just all work, no play. So it's a good atmosphere, obviously. So the problems people have is that some of the people maybe throw the wrong brake fluid in, like the wrong dot. So obviously there's specific brake fluids that we have to use for specific cars, but majority of them are .4 obviously. So here you can see there's different brands here. There's Land Rover, BMW, Liquid Moly. So the 3 types of brake fluids is .3, .4 and .5. On the type of brake fluid the car takes, it depends on the car. Obviously, you give me your VIN number, we check on the system which brake fluid it takes. It gives me all of the different types of brake fluids, but specifically on that VIN, it will give me the specific brake fluid that it takes.
Goldwagen Woodstock has actually won 3rd place best franchise in Western Cape for 2023. Like I could say, Dynamite comes in small packages. We're one of the smallest branches in Western Cape, but we're up there with the big dogs. Remember, when you guys are in Cape Town, visit Goldwagen Woodstock. Keep on driving.